I decided to study mechanical engineering at UCL because during my A-levels I studied physics, chemistry and maths, and physics was my favourite subject because I really enjoyed using like equations to solve problems, and I feel like engineering was a real combination of my love for physics but also the idea that I could problem solve and come up with like creative solutions, but also to see the application of what I've been taught into my lesson in real life example is what really drew me to engineering. During first year, everyone took part in the IMECI challenge, which is the Institute of Mechanical Engineering, which was where we had to create a pipe climbing device that could climb up a 2.2 meter internal pipe. And during this challenge, you had to work with like 5 other people. And I really enjoyed it because the 5 other people that I worked with are now like one of my closest friends, which is like so great because you're working with people, you're problem solving together, you're building that connections with people and developing skills like teamworking, problem solving. And during this challenge as well, we got to use softwares like Fusion, MATLAB, Excel, and it was just great to develop as an individual as well, to have like a little taste into what mechanical engineering is really all about. After I graduate, I would like to go into the automotive industry where I would like to be a manufacturing engineer. This is because it allows me to like solve problems, especially with like issues of sustainability, and it's something that I'm really interested about. And I feel like UCL has really equipped me with like the skills that I needed to excel in that industry, such as like teamwork, technical skills, infusion and presentation as well. So I feel like I will excel in that career the most.